welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to install the TokenPocket app on your mobile so that you can join FORSAGE BSC. Okay, so the first step here is go to tokenpocket.pro and then you click mobile. I've got a Samsung, so I'm going to install the Android version, but if you have an iPhone, the process is similar. So I click here on Google Play and then I'll click install. And now the app is installed, so now we have to click open. So now you have two options. If you have an account, you can import one. If you don't, you will need to create one. That's what we are going to do. So we click on this option, no accounts, create now, and then single block wallet. So we are going to choose the Binance Smart Chain and then create wallet. Then we need to set a password. And then you just click create wallet. Okay, so then we click I got it. And now you can see that you have here the 12 secret words. So make sure you write them down on a piece of paper and save them on a safe place. So once you do that, just click the button below that says completed backup, verify it now. And now you need to verify the mnemonic. Okay, so you need to fill in order according to the mnemonic words you have copied. Once you have done it, just click confirm down here. Okay, let's click confirm. So now the setup is completed. Okay guys, the last step is to add BUSDs to your assets list. So you click the plus sign here, then you paste this address. Then you click the plus sign, then click cancel, and that's it. You're good to go. Thank you. Bye-bye.